Starbucks, that company that sells overpriced coffee brewed from burnt beans, is making some changes to its rewards program. Customers are outraged. The reason behind this outrage could explain why many investors keep on losing money or betting on the wrong assets. The changes started this February. Starbucks will increase the number of points required for customers to earn a free cup of coffee. But before we go any further, let us try to understand how their current rewards program works. It's pretty complicated, but I'll try to translate this in layman's terms. Whenever you spend $1 in Starbucks, you gain 1 star. If you preload your Starbucks car with money, then you gain 2 points for every $1 spent. Under current rules, when you garner 25 stars, you can get a free shot of dairy substitute or flavor for your drink. For 400 stars, you get free merch like a cup or a bag of ground coffee. In between are other free drinks or pastries. The most popular is a free cup of coffee for 50 points. Now, that's where the outrage started. Instead of 50 stars, you now need to accumulate 100 stars. Maybe to balance it out, they are lowering the price to get a free iced coffee or tea from 150 points to 100 points. So now it's 100 points for hot or cold. It seems that there are many more consumers who want hot coffee because the iced coffee decrease doesn't seem to matter. This is the total opposite of Starbucks' own report, stating that cold beverages have accounted for at least 60% of Starbucks' total sales every quarter since early 2021, thanks in part to the popularity of iced drinks among Gen Z customers. This means that for a large share of Starbucks customers, one part of the rewards program is actually getting more generous. So why the uproar if more people will benefit? Well, people hate losing anything, even when it means they will gain more. People think that any kind of loss is a loss. Nothing can make up for it, even if they will actually gain something more important or more valuable. People who need to spend 50 more stars from now on to get a hot coffee feel more pain than customers who will spend 50 fewer stars to earn a free iced coffee. And you can see why this kind of thinking could result in some big investment mistakes. Some investors would stick to a certain asset just because they don't want to sell at a loss, even though shifting to another asset could declare that a loss in taxes or regain them what they lost and then some. The opposite is also true. Investors jump from one asset to another because they immediately want to regain what they lost. Every investor, especially if you're preparing for retirement, should consult a financial advisor to come up with a plan. Every change you're going to make should be well thought out and should not be made without another consultation with your financial advisor and extensive research. Reacting to sudden losses, market drops, financial scandals, and social media trends is the worst thing you can do when you're trying to build a strong portfolio. And this is another reason that Starbucks' revision in their rewards program is being dragged. Dissatisfied people are more likely to be vocal about their experience rather than the happy ones. That's why issues and problems get more attention than great experiences. Starbucks said that they want to make member favorites like iced coffee easier to earn. Of course, we could expect that this could also have something to do with profitability. Many businesses revise their rewards program to motivate clients to collect points, especially as they approach a reward they can redeem. This is the same trick used by airlines and retail stores. The money that the client spends on their store more than makes up for the cost of the reward. That aside, any kind of change, especially if there's a perceived loss, motivates more noise. Noise is one of the enemies of truth and balanced information. And those things are what we need for a more informed investment or even business decision. So here's the key takeaways. Starbucks, for some, doesn't make the best coffee, but they make some of the best marketing and business decisions. And that's what allowed them to grow to this big, this fast. You can debate all you want the quality of their coffee, but their branding and marketing programs are effective and they make no apologies for it. Just remember that not everyone has the depth of discernment you need when it comes to investment. So know who you should listen to and what information to take in and consider. If you have more input and other observations, please share them in the comment section below.